Are you struggling in your wholesaling business or just feel like there's something missing? Or are you having a hard time with managing leads, following up with sellers, and closing deals? If you answer yes to any one of these questions, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, because what I'm sharing with you today may be the very thing that takes your business to the next level. If you're new to my channel, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I teach all things real estate and how you can create multiple streams of income. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can lock in and join the family. This is 2024, and if you want to run a successful wholesaling business, you need a system that is capable of automation. This system needs to be able to automate your tasks, campaign. You need to be able to create your website, send contracts, text messages, ringless voicemails, you name it. The system that I am talking about today is called ReSimpli. Hands down and hands up, this system is the truth, okay? I've tried multiple different platforms. I've tried and tested, and when I tell you nothing compares to ReSimpli. This is an all-in-one system that integrates everything you need to run your real estate business from one website. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? You don't have to jump over here to go to your CRM, jump over here to go to your website. Everything is right here, including your dialer, including SMS campaigns, including ringless voicemails. I can go on and on. So I just want to show you guys the website and take you through it so that you can know exactly what ReSimpli is capable of. I just love the fact that my outfit matches the website. Okay, sponsor me, period. This video is not sponsored, but I really just want to help you guys and show you that there is a website out here that is capable of integrating everything you need to run a successful real estate business. Okay, on the front page it literally says we help real estate investors close more deals, and that is exactly what this system does. So it does include your list stacking, skip tracing is included, and a driving for dollars feature. That is just minimum. Okay, it has all types of features, and let's just look at all of them. So let's go to the top where it says list stacking. List stacking, it includes data management, where they manage all of your data for you, they organize it, and then they help you find motivated sellers as well. If you're interested in skip tracing, as long as you have the property's address, you are able to skip trace on this platform. They will also pull up the email addresses for you, and then you can also include automatic tags as well. Driving for dollars, they do have a feature that also comes with the Driving for Dollars app. So if you do not know of the app, here's the phone over here. Feel free to watch this video, but you can track your route, skip trace, pull up the homeowner, call them from the app, guys. Call the homeowner, send them a postcard, all at one time. I mean, this is really brilliant. You get to see the property details. Like I said, send them direct mail, everything you need. So when it comes to automation, this is one of the things that I love to brag about when it comes to ReSimpli, because a lot of systems aren't automated. They want you to figure everything out on your own. But I can say that this is the exact opposite for ReSimpli. They do have automations from drip campaigns. You get to automate your marketing. You can send SMS text messages, emails, ringless voicemails, and postcards. They have literally everything. Okay, you can create tasks, you can communicate with your team inside of the system. You don't need like a Slack or anything else. You can do everything all from here. Another thing that I like, they do have direct mail, so you can send postcards. You don't have to go to another website. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, this is the truth. You do not have to go to another website at all. Let me just say this, the only thing that you may need to go to another website for is something like PropStream to actually pull your list. But other than that, that is it. It does everything for you. It includes direct mail. It includes your automation. It includes your website. You get to build your business website inside of the ReSimpli platform, along with a dialer, guys. It has a dialer included. Okay, so they have calling automations as well. So after you call a homeowner and hang up with that homeowner, you can have it automated to where you automatically send that homeowner a text message. You automatically send that homeowner an email. You are capable of also inserting your scripts or inserting documents, files, whatever you may need to store inside of, this is your own system. Okay, you run this system, so you get to set it up how you like. It is very user friendly. And another thing that I really like about them is their communication. Okay, they don't just leave you in the dark to just figure everything out. They are very quick. So this button down here, this message button, if you message them, you send them a message, they will respond almost immediately, okay, to whatever your needs are. They are there to literally help you. Some systems are not like that. Not all systems are like that, okay? Guys, they will track everything. If you insert a lead, it literally shows you how long you've been on that lead. Like, it tracks everything for you. I just love it. So they manage your leads. They have lead stages from contact made to follow up. You get to move down your timeline. Say if you're wholesaling, your wholesaling timeline to when the deal gets closed. That is exactly what you want in your business. You want everything to be as simple as possible, but yet you want it to flow. You want it to be automated, okay? So if you're doing more than wholesaling and you have properties, you're a landlord, you can also manage your properties in the system. This is not just for wholesalers. This is for real estate investors. This is a real estate platform. So it doesn't just single out anybody like fix and flippers, or this platform is for real estate investors, okay? So if you invest in real estate and you're looking for a real estate platform, this is a platform for you. So you get to see your KPI dashboard, your leadership, and full accounting. You get to integrate your business bank account or your bank account just to track your expenses, track where your money is going. What are you spending your money on? You get to see your ROI and return on investment. You get to see everything, and they show you clear as day what is going on in your business. You don't have to kind of figure things out, do the math. Everything is mapped out for you. Here is the pricing. You're probably curious about how much this actually costs. So yearly, if you opt into the year plan, it is $99 a month. Let's do the monthly plan. So if you are interested in paying for it on a monthly basis, it is $149 a month. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a link that will get you the first month 50% off. So if you are interested in just trying this out for free, like I said, you can start for free. Why not? Why not try it out? Why not test it out? Why not see if you like this system? Because once you get to feel around, then you will know for sure, okay, is this for me? And if not, cool. You don't have to do it yet. But I know this is the year of investing. I hear a lot of people talk about investing, making investments. If you're going to make an investment in your business, it needs to be your system, okay? So the basic plan, I'm going to let you guys look that over. Of course, as you move up and you go to the pro and the enterprise, it does come with a lot more. Your real estate business does not need to be harder than what it should be. I am going to provide the ReSimpli link below so you can try ReSimpli free for 14 days. And if you like it, you will get 50% off of your first month. So let me know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.